So we're here with David Krimmel on his performance for mapping the hood, and he's the master of the wheat universe.
Okay, here we go.
This is David Krimmel right here. He's the artist. This is Ingrid Sudi. She's the artist assistant. And here they're making a mess in the neighborhood. Here come the cops. He's going to get busted for littering. Where are the cops when you need it? So they're bringing wheat to the city. Wheat to the people. Right on.
No, I couldn't make it too easy.
You can see Ingrid.
Am I supposed to be like?
Yeah,
all
yeah.
the kernels there.
Trash. That's perfect.
And a bag here.
I
think I'm a Tom Sawyer.
Want to do some wheat?
would love to.
You know. Start going. Yeah.
Oh! That is good.
The Mid-City Wheat Harvest. Yay!
It's so random.
That's pretty cool.
Wind! We need wind!
We need wind!
So are the kids splitting into Are the kids splitting into like Marley's just here?
We call it Julie.
Producing. I mean, not for that. I mean, just tonight. I knew the rest of it.
What did you really?
No, I mean, I knew just the wheat.
Oh yeah. Like
Whoa, Diana. Kind of popped out there. Crazy.
Hey, you guys are working hard now. Normal Heights crackers from the wheat.
right on.
Grown with rainwater only.
I live in
On my
Normal Heights.
300ths of an acre here in the Mid-City.
300ths of an acre.
300ths of an acre.
Is there butter in it?
There's oil and flour and water. So it's
And you can eat those. That's awesome. I gotta go. Did you see the flour?
Next step.
grinding.
Kind of a slow process. Yeah.
Area?
Yes. Keep it up behind.
Yeah, there's a scavenger hunt going on in the neighborhood.
Okay.